I mean, I say, baby, watching a baby. Build with your pum pum. Build with your front. Don't feel like you can run up on the ladder and take off your dress. I know somebody think, me a principal man.
Yeah, something there.
Something do what? A firm, on a week. Sometimes girl come link and girl drop, then G-string. Baby, drop back that. Oh yeah, drop back that.
So people, tell me what you think. You think when I say a true or a false? And to all of the man them, would you tell your girlfriend to dry it up back if she in a certain mood? Tell me what you think down in the comment section. Yes, so anyway, what's up people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And I am just hoping that each and every one of you is having a very peaceful and prosperous day, etc. Remember to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and make we run these reports off just like a we run the ground.
We run the ground. Jungle is say we run the ground. Send boy, money.
So people, you know the drill already. We are going to just do the right thing and run the intro and jump right back into the video. So don't go nowhere.
I could never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
I when no love me the girl, them still there beside. We got boss me the follow. Check we out.
Check we out.
Right now they want they were there, but we not send them no location. 6. So I used to send them a location.
Never.
No time, that never a night. Who does that? Cheap plant now. Afraid of fuck, man.
Yeah. You already know the incident to go on in a Florida already with Jman and Squash. You understand what I mean? You know say Jman, well, him killed 2 men over there, and at the end of the day, you know say enough people that say Squash did it, etc. Enough say him never did it. You see enough people that say at the end of the day Squash get shot and get glazed, etc. Squash come and say at the end of the day nothing like that no go on. You understand what I mean now people? So Squash, right now, me feel Squash in a hot water and Squash in a problem because, hear what now viewers and subscribers, Jman has been charged, as enough of you already know viewers and subscribers. Yeah, you don't know say Jman did get shot and the doctor then put him on life support machine. Yeah, if you telling the truth people, right now as him opening me eye, you know American system say it is totally different from Jamaica system viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? And I just look into it, you know, people, and I just pre-back in myself and me and say, it come like them money not learn, them artists not learn, / producer. At the same thing shop done and enough other entertainer end up in and it come like them youth where come after now learn. Yeah, we tired for so we dancehall artists them there behind bars, viewers and subscribers. And a whole of got also lucky like even Vibes Cartel. You see it and right now Vibes Cartel uno consider a film situation a luck. You understand what I mean? So me no know what I'm to them money at the end of the day people. You understand what I mean? But you know how America system stay. America system totally different from Jamaica. You understand what I mean? Because things where you get away with in Jamaica, you can't get away with it in America. You understand what I mean? Remember, you know, at the end of the day, you know, video, they everywhere. You see me, America street them ever live. Even one time we not see nobody in the streets, just know say camera they on at all times. So anyway, people, you don't know say, them did catch Jman pan camera when him a kill Muscle Man, and you don't know so the police them have all of the information here. But here one now, you don't know say at the end of the day a 2 degrees murder in charge for. You understand what I mean? So you know say right there so him is totally eligible for a death penalty. You understand what I mean? And you know the thing go right there so you know. You see it. And you know say America go give him a plea bargain cause me you know how American system stay. Totally different from Jamaican system again. You understand what I mean? Them man they go do them forensic and run them software and every little thing them a get down to the nitty gritty. Every single man we involved in anything. You see me? There's a Squash coming now viewers and subscribers because tell me what you think people. You feel say Jman I go take the death penalty or you feel say him a go give up Squash just to escape the death penalty people. You understand what I mean? Because when you're looking at that, you know, him get involved in a criminality, in a crime in our country we have the death penalty. You understand what I mean? You know, say, even out here, when them man start meet up in a certain problem, them belly run. Me, I don't know that viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? So, what say a country like America now where have all of the technology and the forensic reports? You understand what I mean? Them are going to find out everything, viewers and subscribers. And Jman, goodly Africa leak and squash. You see me? Even though you know, say at the end of the day, we no love snitch. But you don't know a man a go pre him life right there, so. You see it? Well, viewers and subscribers, if Jman make up his mind for no talk, squash is good. Squash is totally good. And not must to see him because America have them own investigation and you know how for them things set up already. You understand what I mean? America them are one of the #1 country in a fighting crime. So anything you see them not stopping for them country, them allow it. So I just feel a way right now for the entertainer them. You see it? Squash come on live and Squash a sham everything and I claim say nothing like that no go on and way. Well, obviously, Jman never did as well the news report say. You understand what I mean, viewers and subscribers. But them man have to wise up now, viewers and subscribers, and know what them a do. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. You can't want to be a dancer / entertainer and still involved in a crime. I said this many times, viewers and subscribers. You understand what I mean? So right now, Jman is still in hospital, but he's also under police custody. I don't know what go on after this. So a deep investigation, them go on know how him reaching the country, who he must stay with. You see me? Them go link even the Jamaican police force and find out what crime him charged for, what allegations were bring against him. So you know, so them go find out say, at the end of the day, him tack up people out here too, and him come do it in America. Worse, him is like an alien in America. You understand what I mean? So, yo, when you check this thing, viewers and subscribers, it's sticky for the entertainer right now. And the man is a good artist. Squash is a good artist. You understand what I mean? The man, them get the opportunity, people, to go in America and be a producer, also be a dancehall artist, and get to even expand them thing. You understand what I mean, people? And them man ya go there with the same thing where them left Jamaica for. Because people want to remember why Squash leave Jamaica, you know. And want to remember say the incident them between him and Shabdan them side, you know, bad breed, etc. You know. You understand what I mean? And the man them go foreign with the same thing. So tell me now, them artists here are this particular artist, enough artists too, and other producers, them a give Jamaica a bad name, they make the American people them afraid of we even more. The man them have to just check themselves before them wreck themselves. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, and tell me what you think down into the comment section.
I coulda never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.